As women, we tend to take care of everybody else in our life and leave ourselves behind, and this creates a tremendous amount of stress in our body and mind, zapping our joy. Today, though, I'm going to show you how using energy healing frequencies is the missing piece needed to finally reduce your stress and allow you to relax, feel better, and experience so much more joy in your life. And spoiler alert, it's not just listening to healing frequency music. Hi, I'm Renee McLaughlin, and this is the Joys of Movement channel where I help you relax, release your stress, optimize your health so you can move through your life with love, joy, and ease. And our topic today is how you can use energy healing frequencies because it's the missing piece that you need to finally reduce your stress and allow you to really relax, heal, and enjoy your life. The very first thing that we need to do is use these frequencies to find out exactly what emotions are being triggered in you that are causing the stress. You know, we think that it's the people and the things that happen, all the situations in our life that is stressing us out. But actually, things that are outside there are not really your real stressors. It's really what's being triggered inside of you that's causing you to react in a stressful way. Using the life system energy healing frequencies is the best way to really find out what are those emotional stressors that are being triggered inside of you. Now, it seems like that would be an easy thing, like we would know maybe it's frustration or irritability, but the reason it's so challenging is because these emotions, these deep emotions that are truly triggering us are subconscious. Subconscious meaning they're not in our conscious awareness. And it's pretty difficult to heal emotions that you're not even aware of. That's what the life system healing energy frequencies are going to show you. Now, the second thing that we can use the energy healing frequencies are not only to find out what the emotional stressors are, but now it's actually able to go out into your energy field and balance or smooth out the chaotic frequencies of these energies that are causing the issues. So when you are able to smooth out and balance the energy frequencies and relax and start to really see what's happening, now you're able to actually relax. Using the relaxation and smoothing out the energy in the field, along with my coaching that will help you start to see situations in a much more helpful, positive way, that's what's really going to help you long-term relax that stress. Now, the third thing we need to do is to actually notice what does it feel like in your body when you are actually relaxed. You know, our body is the most beautiful sensing device organism miracle that we have, but most of us never go down into our bodies and feel what it feels like. We're always up in our heads, thinking, thinking, thinking. But the thoughts in our head are not where our wisdom is. The thoughts in our head are just running old programming, and they're not even true most of the time. So what we teach in the coaching is how to drop down into the body, especially into this heart space where our true wisdom is. Once we smooth out and balance the frequencies and start to see situations differently, that we begin to notice what does it actually feel like in our bodies to be relaxed. Our bodies will tell us if we are reacting in a negative way or if we're open, feeling relaxed, and then able to respond in a more positive way. Once we start to feel what that feels like, we're retraining the body and the brain in this beautiful sensory organ to know what it feels like to be relaxed. And when we retrain, now we can start to become much more resilient to any stressful situation that appears in our life. This is the true miracle of using these life healing systems and the frequencies. Now, I am so excited to share this technology with you because it has been absolutely life transforming for me. I spent so much of my life just always being really contracted in my body, protecting myself. You know, do you ever notice even animals do this? When they're in fear, we go like this. And I was always holding my body really tightly, kind of looking over my shoulder to see when the next shoe might drop. Does that sound familiar to you? But when we're in these contracted positions and we're always thinking, 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 we can never open up, relax, and allow ourselves to enjoy life, to allow life to bring us the miracles that we so desire. And once I used the system to find all these subconscious beliefs that I had no idea I was really holding on to, and I started to relax and release and felt that in my own body, surrendered to life, it was absolutely amazing. I was able to heal a chronic lifetime autoimmune condition. Everything in my life shifted. I was able to really find the passion and the joy that I've been looking for. And I would love for you to be able to have those same results. If you would like more information about how the life system healing frequencies along with the coaching might be something of value to you, just go down and click the link below. I have a lot more information on my website. Thanks so much, and you have a relaxed and beautiful day full of ease and joy.